Hi, good morning and welcome back to Mike Makes It. On test, another Ryobi product. It's an inverter, battery inverter, 18 volt battery, 150 watts, AC mains output. You've also, on top of that, you've got two USB ports and a light. It's a bare device. You've got to supply your own battery with this one. It's the RY18BI150A. So get out of the box, I'll show you what you get. And we put it on a little test. Couple of leaflets I see. Nothing in the box, another little book of words there of how to use it. Nice and simple, little pictorial diagram. But yeah, there you go. We'll get a battery, plug it in, and also plug a few bits into it, see what happens. Well, here's the Ryobi inverter. Basically, you can plug one of the Ryobi 18 volt lithium batteries in the base of it, and from that you get two USB-A outputs, 2.4 amps maximum combined, or you've got a light, or you can actually plug in a mains power device up to 150 watts, so it'd be ideal for powering up a laptop. So let's pop a battery in there. There we go. Now I'll go through the light function first. There's a single button that'll operate the inverter and the light, or the USB outputs. Basically, you're looking for a green light on there. When you have that, you know the inverter's powered up. But first we'll go to the light. So a quick press on here twice. We'll turn the light on for its lowest intensity. It's 2 intensity output on the lamp itself. Press it again. You get the brightest output, and it might not come across on the camera, but that is very, very bright. So that'll certainly light up the work surface, and you can see what you can do with the inverter. Press it again twice, lamp goes out. Now to turn the inverter on, you hold the button down for 2 seconds. Now the inverter is powered up, so we can plug into the back, into this adapter there, socket I should say, to power up your laptop, fan, anything, any mains powered device up to 150 watts. So bear in mind, don't exceed 150 watts. And you have two USB outputs on the back there. So let's plug those in. I have an iPad there and a phone. We'll just plug those into the back. There you go, two devices being powered up from a single inverter. So that's quite good. Now what we can also do, I have a laptop sitting in the back here. We'll power that up. Light comes on, so we're charging the jolly old laptop. And while you're waiting for your batteries to charge up, you could pop your phone in there and watch a movie. The iPad will even fit in there. It has got quite a thick case, but just about manages to sit in there. So that's all good. So yeah, there's your Ryobi inverter. Best run off of, I've got a 4 amp battery in there. If you want to get the maximum life from the inverter to charge up your devices, a 5 amp battery would be better. You can use lesser ampage batteries, of course, in there. They'll still work, but you won't get such a life out of them before you need to recharge this battery. But yeah, that's Ryobi RY18BI150A inverter. Turn it all off. Finger on for 2 seconds. There you go, all off. And it's a compact device. I can throw this in my car without taking up very much space at all. So keep a battery with that. That's going to stay in my vehicle. Very handy for charging things up that I otherwise couldn't. Well, I hope you found the video informative. I'm certainly going to make full use of this inverter, and I'm just about to put it in my car. So, yep, thanks for watching.